everyone, this is Beth. Thanks for joining me. I am reposting this review on Mason. I reviewed her a year ago. Mason is a beautiful style from Paula Young in the color SF1228 Honey, and I just want to bring some love and attention to this beautiful style. Mason is a basic cap wig, and she is one of my favorite styles. It is perfect for my workday. I hope you like this review. Paula Young comes with that zigzag part, and the honey color is a highlighted color. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few things with her.
So get in there and mess her up and start activating that permatease. Spritz up with a little bit of water, and I'm combing out that crisscross part. I also want to mention that she does have quite a amount of permatease on the top. That was some light brown tinted dry shampoo. Again, working on the permatease and the part, activating the permatease and trying to get her into a style. I did use my brown root spray for Mason to blend with my own natural hair.
She's easy. I just pull out my sides. And so you did see me do the root spray. So I root spray my sides and what little bit I have on top. And then those just kind of blend in together with the wig. And that's kind of my trick for making it look more natural. Oh, natural. So I do, and this is what I think I probably did this before with Mason. I'm like, I start playing with it. I'm like, I really do like this. She actually is really cute. It's a cute length. She's a good, if you're like me and you wear your wig for 10 hours at least for just your work day. That's not counting coming home if you wear it at home. So if you're like me, she's a good one for work. It's not too heavy. Her density actually feels nice. It is a cute cut. And I almost think it kind of gets cuter over time. All right, so she has a good length. She's cute. Again, you like Ashley, you're gonna like Mason. If you like Ashley, get Mason. So I'm gonna try a whole big half up. I think that's what I had at Christmas I wore her.
Happy Friday, everyone. I wanted to give you a view of Mason in the sunlight so that you can see her. Maybe if I go like this. This is an SF1228 Honey. So have a wonderful Friday, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.